How to create a thumbnail with a high click-through rate, like popular bloggers. Hello, friends! The topic of today's video is dedicated to creating a thumbnail with a high CTR. I will guide you step by step on how to quickly create images for your videos using a single service called Canva. To begin with, let's choose the most popular video from a rapidly growing channel. Copy the link. Go to the service for downloading thumbnails and click on Copy Image. After that, go to Canva. But before that, I recommend getting a PRO subscription for free. See my video in the top right corner. Now, choose YouTube thumbnail. Paste the copied image. Add a page, and in the bottom left corner, select a ready emotional thumbnail. Copy the image of a person, remove the background, and insert the image. Change the background color to black. Next, search and copy the 3D version of the YouTube logo. Insert the logo, then remove its background. Place it on the left side of the overall image. Repeat the same process for the 3D Canva logo and ChatGPT logo. Arrange all logos so they harmonize well. Now add a shadow to create a glowing effect. Click on the logo, go to the Edit Photo tab, choose Shadow, then Glow, and adjust the settings. Change the glow color to match logo, adjust size and blur. Perform similar actions for other logos. Now, let's add arrows. Go to the Elements tab, search for Arrow Glow, select an arrow, and place it on the image. Edit the size, angle, and change the arrow color to the logo color. Copy the arrow and place it on the right side of the screen. Edit its direction, change the color, and align it with the second arrow. Create a new workspace. Next, add a glow. In the Elements search, enter Green Glow, find a gradient, and place it on the new workspace. Copy the gradient, paste it onto the image, stretch it, and add transparency. Add another blue gradient. Click on Position, select both gradients, and move them to the bottom. Now, remove the gradients from the last page and add the thumbnail generated using the Leonardo AI site. Watch my video in the top right corner to learn how to get unlimited coins for image generation on this site. Transfer the image to Canva and stretch it across the entire area. Add text. Then download, click Share, enter the image number 5 and click Download. Now, delete the image and upload the just downloaded one. Then go to Edit Photo, Autofocus, and blur the thumbnail. Next, add the YouTube icon and make it brighter. Save the image. Then, add it to the main thumbnail, create a glow using the shadow, and place the thumbnail in the background under the arrow. Now create a banner. Go to Elements, search for Rectangle, make a rectangle, change it to white, and add a text. Adjust the text as shown in the example. Then search for an arrow icon, place it here, and add a saturated green color. Click on the rectangle, go to Border Style, and round the edges. Now, select all elements, group them, copy, and paste them onto the main thumbnail. Change the angle and place the rectangle under the arrow. Finally, add an image of falling money. Go to Elements and search for Circle Money. Find the image and place it on the rectangle. Next, we need to stretch the gradients across half of the image. To do this, go to Position. Select the gradient and increase its size to fully fill the left and right background. All done. Now, download the finished thumbnail and enjoy the result. If this video reaches 300 likes, I'll explain how to find trending Nikas on YouTube.